My name's Isaiah. Well, I'm looking to purchase behind me the 550i. It's a BMW, so it's my first one. I drive a 2014 Mercedes right now, so I'm looking to upgrade and potentially get a new car. I first heard about it just through Googling. I just Googled some European car shops, specifically BMW shops on Long Island, and this is one of the top 5 that I found. It was exactly what I expected. So before even coming here, I was talking to one of the managers on the phone, trying to set up an appointment and just getting some information. And I got here, I got greeted with a warm hello. And you know, they got me in and out. It was awesome, and they were very thorough, so my first impression was great. I have basic knowledge about cars and stuff, but even if you don't and you have zero knowledge, it's better to bring it to qualified and certified people that can throw it up on the lift and really do a deep dive. So once I did my research, I found this shop and I was like, yeah, I gotta go here. I got walked through by Steven and he went through everything with me, you know, exactly as the inspection posted online. And that made me very confident to understand exactly what he was talking about. I came in, you know, like a 50-50, like I said before, and now I'm probably at like a 95% yes. The other 5% is just my own self-doubt of just wondering if I should buy it or not. No matter if it was European or not, I would definitely send them here. If it's a Honda or if it's anything of the sorts, especially European, I would send them right here. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is schedule a next appointment to bring it in and get some work done on it. All right, thanks for the time.